Hala, delikado talagang mag-drive ngayon, guys. Oh, kita nyo. My dad! Look at your position like you're nagulat. Naalala nyo pa ba, guys? Yung larong... And I saw this neighbor, the guy. And he keep, you know, he doesn't look at me, but he probably is listening and he can see what I'm doing. Dr. Roxy, hun. Call her. Call her. Call Roxy.
Roxy, Pops. What? Hey, girl. What, you flop? Missy, monkey girl. I got the belly, I roll.
Somebody at the museum is going to say something to you and you're going to answer him that way.
She talk too much. That kind of noise that she make like that. She is like stressed, like she's like frustrated.
Yeah,
that's a frustration.
Because she's trying to talk to me and she don't understand what the hell I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's nonsense.
Rox, you don't understand. Talk. Tell me. Tell me.
Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand.
And the other one's standing.
Look at Miss Tian.
I can't reach you over there.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Goodness, tignan nyo naman. Nag-i-snow sa labas. Tignan nyo yung ano namin dyan. I can't do filming, guys, kasi si Habs palaging umiiyak. Gustong pumasok, pero ayaw ko muna silang papasukin, oy. Iyak na iyak, so samahan ko muna siya. Kalagot mo yung tawhana, oy. You're kalagot, Habs. Grabe ng snow, guys. Ang kapal na, guys. Ang kapal. As in, grabe na yung snow. Hindi ko na kaya. But, I don't know, guys, kung ma-upload ko tong ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam. Gusto ko pa naman yung look, pero yung parang topic ko, wala iba. Parang wala. Hala, oy. Yung snow. I like it. I like the look. I like this lip. Yung lips ba, gusto ko. Gusto ko rin naman talaga yung pula. Nagkampat dito. Pero gusto ko tong look na ito, guys. Bahala na yung eyebrow ko. Wala akong pakialam. Basta kayong look ko talaga maganda. Hala, oy, yung Maybelline talaga na ano, guys, mascara. Sobrang ganda, guys, oh. Yung, tignan nyo naman, guys. Ang taas na ng piluka ko. Pakakain lang ako, guys. At saka, ipakita ko sa inyo para maglaway na naman kayo. Ito siya. Yung bagoong, soka at saka limon at saka sili. Oh my goodness, ang sarap nito. At saka of course rice at saka yung bihon na with munggo at saka malunggay. Ay naku guys, ang sarap nito. Anghang sarap. Gusto kong pumunta sa isang bahay, guys, bukas, pero hindi ako kasi ang dami na ng snow, guys. Ang daming isnoso. Sarap. Rapid charm. Guys, I take off my makeup and I change back to what I wore this morning. It's already 1:19 na ng gabi. Ng hapon, guys. Punta ako sa labas kasi wala ng snow. At saka wala ng ulan. Hala, may mapulang langgam doon, no? Ibo, no? Andun siya, guys. Pula, guys. Ano to? Gloves ito. Gloves ito. Gloves ito. Glove. I'm just happy, guys. Reading your comments makes me like, oh. That's why, guys, your comment makes me happy. Your time sa panonood ng video ko makes me happy, guys. That's why I did try my best to comment. And I really do. I really thought that hindi ako makakomment back sa video na ginawa ko yung mga, kung gusto nung Amerikano, Bisaya. Akala ko hindi ko siya ma-replyan kasi sobrang dami. So, I did shout out na lang sa live ko doon. Ready na sana ako mag-shovel. Pero ang nangyari, tumawag si Tami. Sabi pa niya, huwag kang mag-shovel. Ay, wala naman dapat. Hindi ka naman dapat mag-shovel. Hindi naman kailangan. So sabi ko, oh sige, hindi na nga ako mag-shovel. Punta na lang ako sa labas. Kasama with my Roxy. With my Roxy gosh! Roxy want to go out and flip! Sabi pa ni Tami, maglaro ka na lang, kasamahan mo yung anak mo. Sabi pa niya, samahan mo na lang yung anak mo maglaro sa labas kasi sad daw. Pero palagi na lang daw sad si Roxy. Wala daw kalaro. Meron naman si Misty, pero si Misty hindi kasi masyadong malaroing tao. Ashwa. Really icy. Hello, it's ice, guys. Ice naman ito. Oh my god. Ice na, guys. Hello, Rox. Ice. Hello, Ice. Rox is running like. Wala ko gino. Ice na siya, guys. Ice yun, guys. Yung sa ilalim na yan. Ice na, as in very thick, oh. Oh. Ice yan, guys. Hala, delikado talagang mag-drive ngayon, guys, oh. Kita nyo? Yes. Pag mag-drive ka na dito, slide ka talaga. Delikado, Rox. Delikado tayo dyan. Ayos naman, uy. Who wants to do karaoke with mama? Tignan nyo. Who wants to do karaoke with mama? Do you want to do karaoke? Who wants to do karaoke? Tignan nyo naman ito. Everything need to be covered because, oh my god, this animals is always in my couch. Ay, nako! What are you doing, Misty? What are you doing, Miss? What are you doing? You're so weird. Give me your paw, Mitz. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Good girl, baby. Ba't ang asim? You cannot have it, bag. Ang sarap talaga ng mango kahit may asim-asim pa kunti. Gutom? Si Miss Gutom? Miss Gutom? Masama ang tingin? Miss Gutom. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at your position, my dear. My dear. Look at your position like you're nagulat. Are you nagulat? Hala, nakatingin si Maring. Maring Roxy. Masama ang tingin ni Misty. Nagulat si Dimple. Hi, Dims. You're so pretty, baby. I love you. I love you, Dims. Hala, kiispi man itits. Uy. Hala, uy. Ang cute-cute ni Dimple Lords. Dimple Lords is so cute. My baby is so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh my god, she's so pretty, guys. How come you're pretty and it's at the same time you are a bad cat? You pee everywhere. Not everywhere. Only in downstairs in the basement. In that rug I put over there. I have to clean it all the time, the rug that I put over there, baby. You're so pretty. You're so pretty, baby. You know what, guys? To be honest with you, Dimples and Hobbs. Hobbs is a good boy, the best cat in the entire world. He is the best. But the prettiest face is Dimple Lurch. She has that pretty face. Yes, my love. He's a good-looking man too. Are you a good-looking bug? You have a big eyes, little man. Big eyes. Big eyes, little bug. Big eyes. Anong andon? Wala naman. Snow lang man doon nandun. Snow lang ang nasa labas. Uy. Snow man ang nasa labas. Wala may lain. Snow ang sa labas. Gustong lumabas ng baby. What did you see out there, huh? What did you see out there? What did you see out there? There's nothing over there, oh. There's nothing over there. It's just snow. Kaluka ka talaga, Rox. Ay, mabungol ko ni mo. Misty? Do you wanna go out? Is that what you're asking me? Do you wanna go out? Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Do you want to go out? Hala. Hala, ayos na talaga, guys. Naririnig nyo yan, yung tugrug. Kasi pagrara ni Roxy, ayos na talaga. At saka sobrang windy. At maulan na siya. Hala ka. Uy, Ginoo ko. Roxy, get down! Si Misty ayaw pumunta doon, oh. Kasi nag-ulan na, talaga itong si Misty. Hi guys! Good evening! It is 6:58 na ng gabi. At ang news ngayon is walang balita. Walang balita ang agta na lata. Nang dalawa nakatingin lang sa akin. Alam nyo guys, yung dalawa, palagi naman lang sila nakatingin sa akin. At excited ako sa ulam ko. Kasi yung ulam ko is soka, bagoong, sili at limon. Parang ginamos lang ito guys. Parang ginamos. At ano pa ba? Yung bihon at saka rice. Yun, masarap na yan. And alam nyo ba guys, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Gusto ko lang talagang sabihin sa inyo na naalala nyo pa ba guys, yung larong, kalimutan ko na talagang larong ito. Pero naalala ko siya nung umupo ako doon kasi gusto kong ihag si Roxy sa gilid. Ganito. Kaso si Roxy umatras. So, while I'm sitting like this, ganito, si Roxy umatras doon sa likuran ko. So, nakaupo din siya sa likuran ko. So, gano'n ako. So, alam nyo ba kung ano yung larong naalala ko? Naalala nyo ba? May bato, itim or kahit anong bato. At saka ipasa mo, ipasa mo ulit. At saka may taya ba? At saka sabihin kong nasaan yung bato. Yung ganyan ba? Tagna. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng laro. Pero, yun yung larong yun. Pero, hindi ko naalala guys. Anong pangalan nyo guys? Okay, at saka nalaro nyo ba yun sa bata pa kayo? Kasi, naalala ko talaga guys. Initin ko lang ito guys. Parang bahog ng aso. Pero sa akin yan guys, ganito yung mga pinobreng pagkain ba? Tingnan nyo guys. Sa nasa container ko na lang nilagay kasi ayaw ko na maraming hugasan guys. So yun, initin ko siya. Parang bahog sa iro ba? Bahog sa baboy. Bahog sa baboy guys. Ginoo ko, kabuang lagi ko At also guys, na-surprise ako guys. Alam nyo bakit ako na-surprise at saka sobrang saya ko at saka gusto kong pumunta lumabas. Kasi, when I went look, alam nyo naman, nag-ice na ngayon sa labas. Sobrang ice na, very thick ice na yung snow sa labas. Nagiging ice siya. So, laking gulat ko guys. Yung kapitbahay namin, yung bagong kapitbahay namin, he cleaned our driveway guys. Oh my God, he did clean our driveway. Na ano ako, na-shook ako guys. Na-shook ka ako ba? Hala ka, he cleaned our driveway. What an amazing guy. So, I told Tommy, we have to go there Monday to the house, knock the door, say thank you, give them something. I'm going to do that because it's really guys, you know how expensive is the gas just to do. It's a gas guys. It's a shovel. It's not a shovel. It's a gas. It's a motorized thing just like what we have in the other house. You know why I think ginawa niya yun? Because Monday I was planning of going to dialysis with my mother-in-law and I went outside to check our driveway. I went outside and talking to Tommy. I was talking to Tommy and I checked all over the place and I saw this neighbor, the guy, and he kept, you know, he doesn't look at me, but he probably is listening and he can see what I'm doing, that I've been checking the driveway, if it's icy or whatever. I think that's one of the reasons he did it, because I think he felt bad. So it's nice to know that our neighbor right here do help like that, and it's really surprising and amazing, and I'm happy and I want to meet them. I want to meet them and I want to say thank you. Wala si Tami. Ayaw ko naman pupunta doon. Ako lang mag-isa guys. Gusto ko yung kasama ko, yung asawa ko. Dito sa refrigerator. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye. Kita-kits tayo bukas guys ha. Bye. Good night guys. Bye-bye.
Rockabye, rockabye, rockabye.